Hi, this is Pravalika. I explain the topic network virus countermeasures. Now I explain the antivirus approach and generic description and digital immune system. And antivirus approach means what is virus? Virus is the software piece of code write in the order to change the way of computer operators and separate one computer to another. And virus might occur or delete data on the computer and use the mail program to the separate itself other computers, or even erase the everything on the hard disk. Detection means once the infection has occurred, determine that it has occurred and locate the virus. It means simply what is detection means whether virus present in your system or not. It is detection. Then it is detect. And what is identification means once detection has been achieved, identify the specific virus that has infected a program. Identification means simply in which area virus in the system. And removal, once the specific virus has been identified, remove all traces of the virus from the infected program and restore it to its original state, and remove the virus from all infected systems so that the disease cannot separate further. Advanced antivirus techniques. Advanced antivirus techniques means CPU emulator and virus signature scanner and emulation control module. CPU emulator means a software based virtual computer. More more sophisticated antivirus approached and product continue to appear. In this subsection, we highlight two of the most important. And generic description. Generic description means technology enable the antivirus program to easily detect even the most complex polymorphism viruses, and while maintaining fast scanning speeds. And the mainly cyber threats and risk the associated within the internet, web browser and web apps and website and networks. The primary purpose of internet security solution, it is to protect the users and cooperate it assistant from the attack the travel over the internet. And in the order to detect such a structure, executable files are run through a GD scanner, means generic description, which contains the following elements. CPU emulator means a software based virtual computer. An instruction in the executable file are interpreted by the uh, emulator rather than executed on the underlying process. And the emulator includes the software versions of the all registrations and other process hardware, so that the underlying process is the unaffected by programs interpreted on the emulator. Virus signature scan. Basically, virus signature scans means the fingerprint of the virus. Means a virus signature is the fingerprint of virus. Virus signature scans means the module that scans the target code looks for known as virus signatures. Virus signature is the fingerprint of virus. It is the set of unique data or bits of code that allows it to be identified. Um Emulation control module control the execution of the target code. Digital immune system. Digital immune system means detecting cyber threats and providing the immediately response to them. By analysis network activity and user behavior, these systems can be quickly identify the uh, mitigate threats and preventing further damage to the system and data. Digital immune system is the comprehensive approach to virus protect developed by the IBM. IBM means International Business Machine. The motivation for this development has been the rising threats of internet-based virtual propagation. Two major trends in the internet technology have had an increasing the impact on the uh, sorry rate of virus propagation in the recent years. Integrate mail system means systems such as Lots, Notes, and Microsoft Outlook make it very simply to send anything to anyone and to work with objects that are received. And mobile program system. It is the capabilities such as Java and ActiveX allows the programs to move on their own from one system to another. In this figure, I explain the first a monitoring program on each PC uses to variety variety for of uh, explain the diagram. Sorry. First, it has the virus analysis machine and virus interfact client machine, and there are so many client machines are there, and it is a administrative machine also there, and other private networks. First we explain the a monitoring program on each PC uses the variety of the heuristical based on the system behavior surprising change to program of family signature to infer that a virus may be present. In this figure, I explain the maintain the program forward the copy of any programs to be infected to the administrate machine with the organization. The administrative machine encrypt the sample and send it a central virtual analysis machine. This machine creates an environment in which the infected program can be safely run of the analysis. The administrative machine forwards the prescription to the infected client, and the prescription is also forwarded to the another client in the organization. Subscribing around the world receive the regular antivirus updates that protect them from the new virus. It all I explain in this figure. First, a virus infected the client machine to send the administrative machine, and to send the virus, this administrative machine to send the virus analysis machine. All the analysis virus behavior and structure and extra signature and derived prescription. In these three, all to send the administrative machine. Uh, it is all theory and explain the diagram. And behavior block software means integrate with the operating system of the host computer and monitors program behavior in the real time for malicious actions. The behavior blocking software then block the potentially malicious actions before they have a chance of affect to the system. Unlike in these lines, unlike heuristic or fingerprint based on the scanners behavior blocking software integrate within the operating system of the host computer and monitoring the program behavior in real time for the malicious actions, and attempts the open and view and delete and modify the files, attempts to format disk drive and other unrecoverable disk operators, and it is initial of the network communications. Thank you.